In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a sign-up sheet using Google Forms. Whether you're organizing an event, managing a project, or simply wanting to collect information from a group of people, knowing how to create an effective sign-up sheet can be incredibly valuable. Google Forms is a fantastic tool for this because it's straightforward, customizable, and highly accessible, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're signed in, navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into the search bar or heading directly to forms.google.com. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll be presented with a few template options, but for our sign-up sheet, we'll start from a blank form. Go ahead and click on Blank. Once inside the form editor, we'll start by giving our form a title. For instance, you could name it Event Sign-up Form or Volunteer Registration. Below the title, there's a space for a form description. Here, you can add a sentence or two to explain the purpose of your form and provide any necessary instructions for your respondents. This step is important as it sets clear expectations for what you're collecting from your audience. Moving on to the questions section, you'll want to start with basic information fields. Click on Untitled Question and type in Name. Google Forms will automatically suggest question types, and for names, it will typically select the short answer option, which is exactly what we need. Clicking the plus icon on the right-hand side will allow you to add more questions. Next, include a field for email address. Again, a short answer response is ideal here. To ensure your respondents provide correct information, toggle the required button on. This will prevent users from submitting their response without completing this field. If it's pertinent for your event or project, consider adding a question for phone number. Just like the previous questions, make sure to select the short answer type and mark it as a required question. Depending on your form's purpose, you may wish to include additional questions. For instance, if you're organizing different activities or sessions, create a question labeled Activity Selection and opt for the multiple choice response type to give respondents a variety of options to choose from. Lastly, review your form for accuracy and completeness. Ensure all the necessary fields are clearly labeled and required options are set where needed. To see how your form will appear to users, click on the eye-shaped preview icon in the upper right corner. Once you're satisfied, hit the Send button to distribute your form. You can send it via email, copy the shareable link, or even embed it on a website. And there you have it, a simple yet effective sign-up sheet using Google Forms.